Hi everybody, I'm Master Taylor Kelly. I'm the creator of Dojo Go, and in this video, we're going to go over part 1 of our mini-series, Beginner Kids Martial Arts Program. Now, in this program, we're going to go over how to count to 5 in Korean, the basic stances, front stance, back stance, horse stance, how to jab, cross, and hook, and basic kicks like front kick, round kick, and push kick. Okay? So those are all the things we're going to cover. The first thing we're going to cover is how to count to 5 in Korean. I want you guys to repeat after me. Everyone say 하나. Good. 둘. Good. 셋. Good job. 넷. Good. 다섯. Good job. Awesome. Let's do that again. One more time. Everyone say 하나. 둘. 셋. 넷. 다섯. Excellent job. Now, what I provided for you guys also is a worksheet down below where you can practice those words a little more. Now, one of the best things, or one of the best ways to get good at anything is by repetition. You practice it over and over. Now, before we get on to the different stances, I'd like for you guys to meet a friend of mine. His name is Dojo. Come here, Dojo. All right, Dojo, can you say hi? Awesome. So Dojo is a student of mine. You guys are going to see him pop up every now and then, okay? Now, every time Dojo comes on usually that means we're about to play a game. Now, we're going to save a game for the end of this video. So for now, Dojo, why don't you go over there with your friends, and then I'll call you back when it's time for a game, okay? Awesome. All right, you guys. So we're going to practice counting in Korean again, but we're going to start with a warm-up. We're going to do jumping jacks, okay? So I'm going to repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. Good job, you guys. All right, so now, once we did those jumping jacks, here's what we're going to do next. We're going to practice a basic stance. Now, this stance is called horse stance. I'm going to say horse stance. Okay, awesome. All right, so here's how we do a horse stance. We're going to have our feet apart, just like this. Okay? Now, we're going to bend both knees. Now, notice, both my toes are pointing forward. Okay? As we hold our horse stance, we're going to have our hands on our hips like this, and we're going to bend down. Okay? Now, the purpose of a horse stance is to get our legs really strong. So I want you guys to bend down and keep your back straight. We're gonna hold this position for 5 seconds and repeat after me to count in Korean. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. All right, and come up. Now, this time we're gonna practice punching from horse stance. So we're gonna bend down here and we're going to punch out just like this, okay? We're gonna do 5 punches. Repeat after me in Korean. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Okay. Now, when I say 차리엣, keep the other hands out your side. 차리엣. Good. All right. Don't move. Don't wiggle. So 차리엣 means attention. Okay. Attention in Korean. Now, when I say 큰예, we're going to bow. 큰예. Awesome. Now, most importantly, when you bow, you're making a promise to be nice. Okay. So every time you bow to somebody, you look at your heart because you're promising to be nice. Does that make sense? Awesome. Okay, now next stance we're going to cover is our front stance. So here's what I want you guys to do. We're going to take one foot. We're going to take it in front like this. We're going to have this foot slide back. We're going to bend our knee just like this. Now when we bend our knee, we're going to make sure the knees go over the toes like this, and we lock out our legs. And we're going to have our hands on our hips like this. Okay? Awesome. All right. Now when I say switch, we're going to step back, step forward, lunge this knee. Okay? Switch. Good job. Switch. Good. Switch. Good job. Switch. One more. Switch. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good work. Okay, now we're going to practice back stance. Okay? So back stance, very similar, except we're going to make an L shape with our feet. So if you zoom in on my feet right now, it's an L shape. So I'm going to take this foot now. I'm going to step this one back, and we're going to bend it like this. Okay? Now, when we bend like that, we're putting 70% in this leg and 30 in this leg. And hands on the hips here, and we're turning our shoulders. Okay? So we're going to hold this position. Nice. Okay, now once from here, when I say switch, we're going to step back and then do the other side, okay? So everyone say 하나. Good. 둘. Good, just like this. 셋. 넷. Toss it. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Good work. Okay, so we've gone over the horse stance, the front stance, and the back stance. In the next video, we're going to go over how to throw punches. But first, let's go ahead and play a game going over those stances. You guys ready for a game? Awesome. All right, come out here, Dojo. All right, so here's the game we're going to play, okay? So Dojo, you wouldn't guess it, his favorite fruit is bananas, okay? He loves bananas. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to balance bananas just like this. Now here's the thing, he's going to put them on our hand. Now if this hand gets really heavy with bananas, we're going to shift our weight and use both hands in a front stance. Now, if he starts putting it in the other hand, we're going to shift our weight. Now if he puts a little bit more on this and less on this, remember, 70% here, 30% here, which just basically means a lot on this leg, a little on this leg. So if we notice he's putting a lot on this hand, but a few, just still a little bit here, we're gonna bend into a back stance. So again, if it's equal bananas, we go down like this. If it's a lot on one side, right, and there's none on this hand, we're gonna hold the horse stance. If it's a lot on this side and none on this hand, we'll hold the front stance here. If it's a little bit on this hand and a lot on this, but still a little, back stance. And then same thing for this side. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, let's try it. All right, Dojo, go ahead. All right, this looks like he's putting bananas right here. Okay, oh, he's moving them all over here. Good. Nice, okay, we come back to center. Good, okay, he's over here now. Good, back to center. Good, nice, now horse back stance, good. Back to center. Good, back stance. Awesome, good job, almost done. Good, good. Good job, you guys, good work. Good, back stance. Back stance. Horse stance, nice, good job, you guys, high five. Awesome, awesome, very good job, you guys did a great job with today's lesson. Now, if you guys would like to see part 2 and part 3, make sure you guys click the link down below so you guys can start, okay? I'll see you guys there. Ready yet? Can ya? Awesome. All right, see you guys in part 2.